You're not lazy. You're not dumb. You're just using the wrong tools. Wrong tools, and that's costing you hours every single day. Hidden enemy. The real villain isn't TikTok. It's hidden overhead, the tiny invisible frictions between you and getting work done. Opening a tab, formatting a citation, rewriting a sentence, each one steals 10 seconds. Do that 200 times, that's an entire lost afternoon. The 4 traps. Trap 1, the citation funeral, spending 15 minutes on a bibliography you'll never look at again. Trap 2, the blank page, panic, staring at a blinking cursor like it owes you money. Trap 3, the lecture replay loop, rewatching a 50-minute video for one confusing slide. Loop trap 4, the flashcard, black hole, writing questions you'll never actually quiz yourself on. The cost. Stay in these traps, you stop learning, you start surviving. All-nighters feel normal, grades drop, you hate subjects you used to love. The Fix 5 free tools, zero bloat. 1. MyBib, AI citation generator. Paste a URL. Get a perfect MLA/APA citation in 2 seconds. 2. Goblin.tools, breaks any vague assignment into a checklist. Write essay becomes 12 tiny steps. 3. TurboScribe, transcribes lecture audio into notes. Skip the replay loop. 4. MonsterWriter, distraction-free writing. No formatting, just words. 5. Knowt, turns your notes into active recall quizzes instantly. No manual flashcards. Text. 5 tools, 0 excuses, the deeper layer. Here's the truth. Tools won't fix, you still have to start. AI can outline, AI can cite, AI can quiz, but AI can't care. If you don't give a reason to learn, no tool will save you. Final challenge. Pick one assignment sitting in your to-do list. Run it through Goblin.tools tonight, not tomorrow. Tonight, do the first 3 steps, then stop. That's how you beat hidden overhead. Question is, will you actually do it?